Here's the view at 10 in the morning, day of Hurricane Irma. Just a little drizzle out, not bad. Nothing much going on, a lot of pine needles down, a couple of pine branches, nothing to be concerned about. We got some water in the swale, it's all good. The swale system works, drains the water out to the end of the street to the canal. It's all vacant land across the street from us. Gonna get developed pretty soon, I guess. Nothing going on. It's all quiet. Hopefully it'll stay that way. Maybe Irma will stay offshore and keep going west.